This beautiful and vibrant country, located in southern Europe, known for its rich cultural heritage, delicious cuisine, and stunning natural landscapes. It is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks and attractions, making it one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Geographically, Italy is situated on the Apennine Peninsula, bordered by France to the west, Switzerland and Austria to the north, Slovenia to the east, and the Mediterranean Sea to the south. The country has a varied landscape, ranging from the snow-capped peaks of the Italian Alps in the north to the rolling hills and plains of the south. Italy is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world, attracting millions of visitors each year. The country is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks and attractions, including the Colosseum in Rome, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the canals of Venice. Other popular destinations in Italy include the cities of Florence, Naples, and Milan, as well as the Amalfi Coast, Lake Como, and the Italian Alps. The country is also known for its beautiful beaches, including the beaches of the Italian Riviera and the island of Sardinia. Italy has a long and rich cultural history that dates back thousands of years. The country was home to some of the world's most important civilizations, including the Roman Empire, which had a significant impact on the world. The Renaissance, a period of great artistic and cultural flourishing that began in the 14th century, was also born in Italy. Italy is well known for its art, architecture, and music, and has produced some of the world's most famous artists and musicians. Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Raphael are among the most famous Italian artists, and Italian composers such as Verdi, Puccini, and Rossini have had a significant impact on classical music. Italy is the third largest economy in the European Union and has a diverse economy that includes manufacturing, agriculture, and services. The country is known for its luxury goods, including fashion, automobiles, and jewelry, and is also a major producer of wine and olive oil. Tourism is a significant part of Italy's economy, and the country attracts millions of visitors every year. Italy is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, including the Colosseum, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the Vatican City. Italy, known as the land of art, fashion, food, and wine, is one of the world's most popular tourist destinations. Italy has something for everyone, from the stunning Italian Alps to the beautiful beaches of the Amalfi Coast. It is a country with a rich history, magnificent architecture, breathtaking landscapes, and a vibrant culture that is difficult to rival. Let's talk today about the beautiful Places off Italy. Rome. Rome is one of the most famous and historic cities in Italy. It is the capital of the country and offers a plethora of historic sites, ancient ruins, museums, and cultural attractions. Visitors to Rome can see the iconic Colosseum, the ancient Roman Forum, the Vatican, and the Sistine Chapel. They can also explore the city's many museums, art galleries, and historical landmarks. Milan. Milan is one of the world's fashion capitals, and it is home to some of the most well-known designers and fashion firms. It's also a city rich in history and culture, with numerous museums, art galleries, and historic sites to visit. The iconic Duomo Cathedral, the La Scala Opera House, and Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper may all be seen by visitors. Venice. Venice is a city built on a lagoon and is known for its romantic ambience, stunning architecture, and beautiful waterways. The city is home to many canals and bridges, including the famous Rialta Bridge and the Bridge of Sighs. Visitors can explore the city by gondola, visit the Doge's Palace, and stroll through the colorful neighborhoods of Burano and Murano. Florence. Florence is a city that is steeped in history and is known for its art, architecture, and cultural heritage. It is home to some of the world's most famous museums and galleries, including the Uffizi Gallery and the Accademia Gallery. Visitors can see the stunning Duomo Cathedral, the Ponte Vecchio Bridge, and the Palazzo Vecchio. Sicily. Sicily is an Italian island famed for its magnificent landscapes, ancient ruins, and vibrant culture. Visitors can explore the many historic buildings and landmarks that dot the island, such as the Valley of the Temples, the Greek Theater of Taormina, and the Cathedral of Monreale. They can also enjoy the island's famous food, which is a fusion of Italian and Mediterranean flavors. Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is one of the most stunning coastlines in the world. It is a section of beachfront south of Naples that stretches along the Tyrrhenian Sea. Visitors can explore the various lovely towns and villages that dot the coast, such as Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello. They can also hike the Path of the Gods, a picturesque trail with breathtaking views of the coast. Tuscany. Tuscany is a region in central Italy famed for its rolling hills, gorgeous vineyards, and beautiful scenery. Visitors can explore the region's numerous lovely cities and villages, including Siena, Pisa, and Lucca. They can also tour some of the region's famous vineyards and drink some of the world's best wines. Italy is a very beautiful and diversified country with a vast cultural heritage. From its breathtaking vistas to its delectable cuisine, Italy has something for everyone. Whether you are interested in history, art, or simply relaxing on a beach, it is not surprising that Italy is one of the world's most popular tourist destinations. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel for more videos on your next ideal vacation place. And don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you very much.